Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Filmora not working problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new on this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time. So to fix Filmora not working issue, simply first of all you just need to tap on Filmora icon and just go to properties and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video tutorial. Hope so this will fix your problem.